Hello friends, welcome back to Azure 204 Lab 02 exercise 4, and here we are going to create a function that integrates with other services. So let's go to the instruction page. So here is our exercise 4, and task 1 it says that create an HTTP triggered function. So we need to go and create a new function HTTP trigger based, okay, in our function app. So we need to go to the resource groups and then serverless. From there, we need to go to the function app and then we need to create a new function. Templates, we need to choose HTTP trigger and function name should be this one, anonymous. Okay, just follow me here. So I'll just close this thing, close everything. Okay, I'll go to the resource group and then serverless. From here, we need to go and select our function app. Where is that? It's here. And now here under functions blade, we need to create a new one. And it should be again a HTTP based function. So we are going to add a new function in our function app, HTTP trigger based. The name I copied already. It says get content info, and I'll choose authorization level as anonymous and click on create function. So now let me just refresh. You should see one more function here. Okay, here now we have our new function, which is again an HTTP trigger based function. So we are done with the task 1. Task 2 is to upload a sample content. So here we need to go to our resource group. Resource group is serverless, and from there we need to go to the function storage, our storage account, and in the storage account blade, select the containers link in the blob service section, and then from there we need to create a new container. So basically we'll first go and create a new container named content. Okay, so let's do that. Just follow me here. I'll just close everything from here. Close. I'll go to the resource group. I can directly go there. So serverless, and then I'll go to here is our storage account. So from here under the blob service, here we have containers blade. So here from here I can go and add a new container. Click on plus add a new container, and I'll give the name as content, and access level should be blob. I'll just go and verify one more time. This is private. Okay, no, private, this one. Let's go and create the new container. So here is our new container called content in our storage account. Okay, done. And the next thing is that back in the container section, select the newly created container. On the container blade, select upload, and in the upload blob window, go to the files, folders, and then upload settings.json file. Okay, perfect. So now here we have our container, this one. We need to go and upload a JSON file. So here's the button to upload the data, and from here I can go and choose JSON, right? So I'll just click on here. Now let me just go and verify the path. It says lab2 starter. So you will find the settings.json inside lab2 starter settings.json. It's here, open, and then click on overwrite upload. So you will see your JSON file here. Perfect. Let's come back here, upload, overwrite. So done. Now we are done with this particular task as well. We are done with task 2. Let's move to the task 3. Task 3, it says that configure an HTTP triggered function. So now we need to configure our function. So you need to go to the resource group, go here, go to your function logic app, and from the app service blade, select the functions options from the functions section. In the functions pane, select this get. So this is our new function that we created earlier in this video, get settings info, and we need to go to the developer section and then go to the integration. Okay, easy, right? So just follow me here. I'll close everything. So here is our function app, and I'll go to the newly created function, which is this one, get settings info, and from here we'll go to here integration section, actually to the second blade integration. So we are here now. We need to click on plus to add input, In the create input pop-up, binding type, select Azure blob storage. In the blob parameter name, enter JSON. Path, you need to mention this one. Okay, so we'll do it one by one. So here in the input, okay, integration pane, select the plus add input. Here, click here, Azure blob storage, perfect. Name, JSON file, path, I'll select from here, I'll just copy, okay, I'll just paste here, and storage account connection, let's see. So in the storage account connection list, select Azure web job storage. So we need to leave this one as it is. Click on OK. OK. Now back in the integration pane, select the HTTP trigger, edit the trigger, request parameter name, you enter request and select HTTP method as get. OK. So now let's go back to the function app. It's here in the HTTP request. In the HTTP request, edit, request parameter name is request, parameter name is request. I'll keep route template as blank. Authorization level also I'll keep it same. And from here we need to go and select get. So just only get. Click on save. Okay. So here we are done with the task 3 as well. Okay. Now let's go and talk about task 4, which says write function code. So in the function blade, select code plus test option on the developer. Let's go here, code plus test, and in the function editor, find the example run.csx function script. Okay, then delete all the example code and add the following lines. I'll copy this line. So first we need to delete in the, if you see, here's our run.csx. I'll just need to delete everything from here. I'll add the new line, and then again we need to add second line, which is using, so basically it's a namespace we are adding. It's a kind of package. And then here we need to add a new method called public, like public static run method. It will take two inputs and it will return ixn as the result. Okay, I'll copy this one, I'll paste here. Perfect. Now in the run method we just need to return the JSON. Okay, okay, good. Now next, so this is how your so entire code script of your run.csx looks like this. We have two namespace, there's one method having two arguments and returning JSON. Okay, now click on save. Now click on save. So just wait for this to happen. Okay, it's done. Now what I will do is, next is task 5 is to test our function app. So on the taskbar, open the Windows terminal. Again, we need to make use of HTTP REPL to test our application. Okay, so first of all, I'll just go and open the command prompt terminal, and I'll type the command HTTP REPL, and then we need the function app URL. I'll paste it here, hit enter. Unable to find Swagger definition. Okay, now let's go and run the next command, cd API, which is next is cd get setting info, cd get setting info, and now we need to enter get. Okay, so now if you see, you should see your JSON data. Okay, so now observe the JSON content of the response from the function app, which should look like this. So if you see here, this is what you have, your email and then phone number. Okay, so if you see, we are good here. The next task is, now we just need to exit out of REPL. So I'll simply type exit, sorry, exit, exit. Close the currently running Windows command prompt we just did. Return to the browser window in the Azure function. So here in this function, you created a function that returns the content of a JSON file in the storage. Okay, so here we are done with exercise 4. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.